Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials: power on the Kenmore, a full spool, and the presser foot raised. Thread the spool onto the pin and secure it with the cap. This prevents wobble during sewing. Make sure the needle is all the way up by turning the handwheel toward you. Once these steps are done, you'll be ready to route the thread through the machine's path. I'm guiding you so each movement has a purpose, reducing tangles and skipped stitches. Now you route the thread along the Kenmore's top path. Follow the printed arrows if present. Bring the thread through the first guide near the spool, then down and between the tension discs so the machine can control tension. Pull the thread back up to the K-cup lever and feed it through. This lever moves with the needle, so proper placement prevents loops. Finally, guide the thread through any remaining top guides toward the needle. Make sure it moves freely without catching. Finish by threading the needle, either left to right or front to back depending on your Kenmore model, leaving a 4 to 6 inch tail. Confirm the bobbin is wound and inserted in the bobbin case with the thread following the bobbin path. Draw the bobbin thread up through the needle plate using the handwheel and needle thread. Lower the presser foot, hold the top thread tail gently, and sew a few slow test stitches. If loops or skips appear, recheck tension and routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.